What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at another drift event. It's currently raining, so I'm sitting in the truck about to pull the car out of the trailer, get on the track. First event with the new FDF angle for the 370Z. Really excited to test it out. Hopefully the rain clears up. It should later in the day. That way we can get a little bit of wet practice and a little bit of dry.
Agile. There it is.
Slipping, that's what it is. Just did a few laps in the Z. Car's doing really good. Really like the angle, of course. Like, it's especially when it's raining, you can really work all of it. I did fix the left foot brake issue. I unplugged the brake pedal switch at the pedal itself. There's two. I unplugged both of them. Now I could left foot brake without any issues. Before, it was just cutting my power like quite a lot, where it just kind of didn't make it really possible. Car's feeling really good. Oil temps are doing a lot better. Unfortunately, my clutch going into the long sweeper, I'm trying to go into third, and I'm like, what's going on? It just doesn't seem right. I thought I went into first once. My clutch is slipping. We smelled something weird. Thought it was like power steering cooler. It was leaking or something. Turned out to be the clutch, so I'm gonna stay in second the whole track, which kind of sucks because I'm literally at like 7,000 RPM, which like I feel so bad for the car. Third is a little bit too tight because a couple of the transitions are such hairpins that you can't really do it in third. It really bogs, especially if I try to clutch kick it, then it's really bad on the clutch too. Definitely need to get a new clutch in for the car so we can shift. Because if I could go into third, it'd be a lot better because I have the wheel speed to continue the whole sweeper, not have to pull the handbrake and stuff like that and try to work the outside. Other than that, having a lot of fun out here. Hopefully the rain clears up. We'll see. If not, you know, free tires for the day. Alrighty, well I am officially done for the day. Well, I don't know if you saw it in the GoPro, but I was coming around one of the turns tandeming with Taylor over there. He was killing it, by the way, in that stock Z, 100% stock. I think each well of diff, killing it. The clutch is gone, absolutely gone. Like the pedals all the way to the ground. Like, doesn't come back up, so, and all the fluid's gone. I think we lost the slave cylinder. And also the, it was really vibrating, so I think the dual mass flywheel might be off as well. It just kind of all went out at once maybe. So it was vibrating one lap, next lap clutch went out. And also we don't have any more fluid in our reservoir, which is not good. So that means something went drastically wrong, but this thing was due for a clutch anyway, especially since it wasn't grabbing going into third. Well, there's only about 2 hours left in the event anyway, so I got to drive most of the day, which is what I was hoping. So gotta load up the Z and get a clutch on order, that way we can make the next event. Since the Z's dead, I hopped in Jordan's car. We're gonna do some laps. Ooh. Hopefully this thing holds together, because he's got to drive it back. Keep flat to the floor! Flat to the floor! There you go. So Jordan and I just got done doing some laps in his E36. Comes back, pops the hood, and this coolant, and they're just coolant all over his engine bay. His reservoir was cracked to begin with. I thought he replaced it, but he didn't. So he has a new one. We're replacing it right now. And also his little vacuum line popped off. We just put that back on. Yeah, here's his new one here. Definitely need that to get home. But check out his front tire. This is from all the understeering. So that's not good. Whenever like you're understeer, definitely you want to pull back out of it, straighten up, and like kind of reinitiate into it, or like this will happen. Like that is, that's really bad. Wow. The OG, the original one. It's absolute trash. Oh, I love the duct tape. It was an effort. Was that you?
Yeah.
Was that the previous? That was you. Good mod. The Supra is insane. Oh my goodness. All right, everybody, made it back from the event. Had a lot of fun today. Car did pretty good, minus the clutch kind of going out. I'll definitely get one on order, get one in so we can replace it for another event coming up. Jordan did great in his E36 and had a lot of fun with the Z. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It helped me out so much. Thanks for watching again, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.